Yeah, now let's continue AWS RDS. In this session, let's continue DRL commands. DRL stands for Data Retrieval Language. Also, we call it as DQL, Data Query Language. In DRL, DQL, we have only one command called select. Select command can be used to retrieve data from table. We use different options in select team. If you use select star from table name, it will retrieve all rows and all columns. Star means all columns. So here, if you use select star means all columns. Let's say, let's insert data into this table. Now, let's see select star from table name. It will return all rows and all columns. If you want only few columns, instead of a star, you can specify required columns. Let's say I want only employee name and employee age. Then you can specify list of columns, name, comma, age. Then it will return only name, age columns, but all rows. If you want only few rows, then you can specify condition. Let's say I want only age greater than 25. I do not want all employee details. I want only few columns, but where age greater than 25. So here we write a condition. Only satisfied rows it will return. So greater than 25, only one record. So using data retrieval language, we can retrieve data from table. So here we use one command called select. In select, if you use select star, it will return all columns of a table. If you want only few columns, instead of a star, you can specify list of columns. With comma separation, it will return result with specified columns, but all rows. If you want only matched rows, then we write a condition using where in select query. Let's say I want to employee ID 1. Or employee ID equal to 2, where ID equal to 2. So it will return only match records. So DRL, we have only one command, select command. Using select command, we can retrieve data from table.